So it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
I know I called you on Friday.
Yes.
And everything seemed pretty normal and going the same. Um, so you didn't have any real questions or anything when I called you on Friday.
No.
Do you have your log that
I
we
do.
can look at?
Yes.
What do you feel about the log? Like, how are your loggings going, and are they looking the same? Are they very different?
They look the same mostly.
Okay, so I see here, okay, when, tell me about your SUDS level during the day when your husband's not there. What is your SUDS level?
It's an 80 usually.
Okay, what about when he is there during the day?
It's an 80.
Okay, so it doesn't seem to go down much?
No.
Okay, so what about at night?
It's about an 80 also.
Okay, what about when your husband isn't there? Does it go up?
No, it stays the same.
Okay. So it looks like your logs are pretty consistent, and they seem to be the same way all the time, and you're still getting up. If he's not at home, you're getting up every hour to check the doors.
Yes.
Okay, at night. Okay, so, and we'll have you keep doing that log. Okay. Now today we would start the in vivo exposure therapy, and I'm going to explain to you what that is, and I think we've talked a little bit about it, but we can't do yours in session. So I'm going to teach you how to do it at home.
Okay.
And you will have a log. I'll give you a log that shows where you can record what's going on with you. Okay? So let's talk about, we want to start with the least distressing. And do you remember on your hierarchy what the least distressing incident is for you?
The least is when I'm not at home.
Okay.
Somewhere else.
What about the least when you are at home?
Is during the day when my husband's at home.
Okay, so that is where I want you to start with. When you're doing this self-exposure, I want you to do it, and you're going to do it 2 hours a day.
Okay.
Okay, when you're not with me. Okay, you're going to do 2 hours, and you're going to record during that 2-hour time. As the obsession comes up and you feel like checking the doors, you're going to resist that, okay, and not do it. And you're going to record your SUDS level every 10 minutes on this sheet as you do that. So, like, starting tomorrow, during the day, you know, when your husband's at home, maybe when you get home from work and he's there with you, you want to do this. Set a time that you do it for 2 hours before it gets dark, and you want to record the date. So this will be tomorrow, and situation to practice during the day when your husband's at home. And then what is your SUDS or anxiety level at the beginning? Remember, 0 to 100. And then you're going to take it as you resist the urge to check. You're going to take your SUDS level every 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
For that hour. Okay, so record that time. Hopefully you should see that your anxiety level decreases, because you'll start to realize that the worst possible thing is not happening.
Okay.
Okay, so this week all you're going to do is, as that anxiety comes up, during the day when your husband's at home, don't do it at night, and don't do it when he's not there. We'll get to that, okay? Just do it during the day when he's at home, and then record your SUDS level during that time.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm going to give this to you, and you're going to do it each day. Okay? So as far as our schedule, I will see you on Wednesday, and we will start imaginal exposure therapy. And we'll actually do that. We can do that in session, okay? And then I will teach you how to do that, and you'll be doing both of these to practice at home, okay? And we'll be going according to your hierarchy, okay? So that will be on Wednesday that we will do that. And I want to see what you've done practicing at home. I want to see your homework along with your log, okay? Also in your workbook, you're going to want to read patient rules for ritual prevention in
Okay.
your workbook, okay? So that you can see how that works. Now, when we want you to do as far as checking is only check the doors once. Okay, so during this practice time, you can check the doors once
Okay.
at the beginning. Like when you come in from work, you
Mhm.
can check the doors, make sure they're all locked, but then you aren't allowed to do any more checking, okay,
Okay.
for that hour where you're checking your suds level, okay, and see how it goes down, okay?
Okay.
So see how that goes for you. Okay, so do you have any questions about this?
I don't think so.
Okay, so I will see you on Wednesday and we will start the imaginable exposure
Okay.
therapy.